Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LastPass for sharing insurer document vault securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your LastPass application or website. Log into your LastPass account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and select the vault option. In the vault, find the section for secure notes. Click on Add Item to create. Enter a relevant title for your insurer document vault. In the Notes section, add any important information related to the insurer documents. Now, save the secure note. To share this vault, click on the Sharing Center in the left sidebar. Select Shared Folders and then click on Add Shared Folder. Name the folder something recognizable, like Insurer Documents. Next, click on Share next to the. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Set their permissions according to what you want them to access. You can choose between read or full access. After configuring the permissions, click Share Folder. Now, inform those you shared with to check their email for an invitation. Once they accept, they will have access to the shared folder. To add documents to the shared folder, return to the vault. Select the shared folder you just created. Click on Add Item again, and choose the type of document you want to upload. Upload your insurer documents securely. Finally, confirm that all documents are correctly uploaded and accessible to those you shared with. You have now successfully configured LastPass for sharing your insurer document vault securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.